Evaluate using function notation. Let's jump right in. Given the function f of x equals 3x squared minus 6x plus 9, find f of negative 2. Now recall that the value inside the f of negative 2, this negative 2 gives us a value of x. So f of negative 2 represents the value of the independent variable x as negative 2. So therefore, all we need to do is substitute that negative 2 into the function in any position where x is found. So recall that f of negative 2, that piece represents the dependent variable, or the y value. So the negative 2 inside represents x. The entire f of negative 2 is just the same as saying its y value when the x value is negative 2. So when we substitute negative 2 in, we have 3 times negative 2 squared minus 6 times negative 2 plus 9. So let's simplify that using the order of operations. So again, the f of negative 2 on the left is the same as y. So we don't have anything to do with that. On the right, negative 2 squared is 4, so we end up with 3 times 4. And then a minus 6 times negative 2, well, 2 negatives gives us a positive 12 plus 9. So then we have 3 times 4 is 12. So 12 plus 9 is 33. So f of negative 2 is 33. If we wanted to write that as an ordered pair, the x value is negative 2, the y value is 33. Let's do another one. Given the function f of x equals x cubed minus 7, find f of 3. So again, that 3 inside the parentheses gives us the value for the x variable. So we substitute that in. F of 3, remember the f of 3, that represents the y value. F of 3 equals 3 cubed minus 7. Again, we simplify using the order of operations. 3 cubed is the same as 27. So f of 3 equals 27 minus 7, which is 20. So if we wanted to write that as an ordered pair, the x value is 3, the y value is 20.